The AudioControl LC8i Line Output Converter allows you to enhance your car's factory stereo system with aftermarket amplifiers, speakers, and subwoofers for a more powerful sound experience. This versatile converter can handle high-powered amplified systems by accepting speaker-level signals, making it compatible with most setups. With RCA auxiliary inputs and independent volume control, you can easily connect and play music from a portable source like a phone or satellite radio. The LC8i combines input signals to ensure a strong, full-range output for your processors and amplifiers, even if your factory system has crossover settings for different speaker types. Level matching is made simple with an LED indicator that guides you to achieve optimal performance and minimal noise from your audio system. Convenience features like a dash-mounted wired remote for auxiliary and bass volume control, along with auto turn-on functionality, make the LC8i a user-friendly addition to any car audio setup.